What's up, everyone? So what I have here is a EVERLAST PowerTig 255 EXT. This machine is a monster. It's the best machine I've ever owned. They're not that cheap, but they're not that expensive. They're not in the $5,000 range as the others for everything this thing can do. Got the water cooler. And it sits on top of a toolbox. So, what I'm not liking here is the green. I know that's EVERLAST color, and it has been for a long time. I think titanium just came out. I think they run side by side with the Vulcans. That's the Harbor Freight models. Pretty cheap model. Well, I think they're like $1,000. But they're using the same color as, or almost the same color as EVERLAST. I just don't like the green. The green's not for me. Every time I look at it, I just think it looks weird. But like I said, that's EVERLAST signature color. Nobody else is doing it except for titanium now. So I'm ready to paint this thing. I did speak with EVERLAST. They said that you have to document all your information on the side, any number that has to do like with the serial number and so forth. So you have proof that the machine is yours in case you have to do a warranty service or anything. I've been lucky. I have not had one problem with this machine since I've had it. There's a lot of mixed reviews out there with them working flawlessly when you first get them, and then a week later they're going out or something, but it's usually done from some crazy thing or whatever. But there's a lot of reviews. You can take a look and make your own decision. But if this got lost or stolen or place burned down or what have you, my next purchase would for sure be the EVERLAST 255 EXT. It is just a freaking monster. So that's about that for that. I want to go black or I want to go white. I say black just because the cabinet's black. White just because it would be different. I can't think of like red or pink or magenta. Come on now. Give me a color that you think that would look good. I'm gonna let this channel run for 7 days, and hopefully I can get some reviews of what you think the color should be. Because it's definitely not green. So I need some color help. It's either black, white, or let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. I have a CK hose on it. It's a little long. I think it's 25 foot. Got it reeled up there, runs across the wall, goes into a holder. And that's my torch. It's the flex lock, which is freaking awesome. Super awesome. I love it. I wouldn't use anything else. I'll even be totally honest with you. The hoses that you get, usually when you used to buy this stuff, the best quality stuff you would get would be the machine itself. And then all the accessories would be junk. Well, I'll tell you what, I use the water cool hose that it came with for the longest time, and so many times I forgot to turn the water on because I was only using like maybe 80 amps, 60 amps. So many times I forgot to turn the water on, and I only use it for maybe like 30 to 45 seconds. And finally the hose busted right here. But you can get these little crimp lock type. Come on. Come on. I guess you can get these little crimp locks, and you can cut these down and make them to whatever length you want. I thought about, this is like almost like a 25 foot. I was going to make it a 12 foot. I believe it's 25. It was long. You get that with the machine, and then you get a regular air cooled with the machine. They're not a flex, they're just standard. They come with your switches if you don't have a pedal, and it's all quality. It really is. But like I said, I burned mine up because too many times I didn't turn the water on because I was just doing a quick TIG, and I actually burned it up, so it was my fault. This is great. And I've got, let's see, the one you see on the wall here, it's 150 amp 25 foot, which, yeah, I was right. And then I have a 250 amp 12 and a half. This is another flex head. And I mean, these are just quality also. But I won't put their hoses down because, like I said, they're really, really good quality stuff too. It works. It worked for everything I needed it. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, let's see what we should do about that. What color we should go with. Like I said, my options were black and white, black or white. Let's see what you have to say about it. 7 days. Once I post this, I want to have 7 days to make a decision. So I'm asking you guys, what should we do here? Alright, you guys have a good one. Talk about it later. Don't forget to comment and let me know.